Top 7 Free Fundamental Trading Resources for Traders. As a trader, it is crucial to stay updated with the latest market trends and news. However, with the vast amount of information available, it can be overwhelming to find reliable and free resources. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 free fundamental trading resources, including websites and news feeds, that traders can utilize to stay on top of key stories and make informed trading decisions. 1. Best Trading Calendars. The first resource that traders should check daily is a trading calendar. It provides information on data releases and expected outcomes. One recommended economic calendar is www.dailyfx.com, known for its comprehensive coverage. Traders can click on each event to see recent trends and positive or negative surprises. This information helps traders form their trading strategies based on the data. Another reliable trading calendar is www.myfxbook.com, which is easy to read and quickly updated with outcomes. 2. Fastest data releases. To access the fastest data releases, traders should consider using www.financialjuice.com. Financial Juice is a recommended real-time news source to follow. They provide headlines within seconds of the release. For even faster updates, Financial Juice offers a voice squawk box feature for paid members. However, the free Twitter feed is sufficient for most traders. 3. Forex News. For traders focusing on Forex, Forex Live is an essential resource. Traders can follow their Twitter handle or visit www.forexlive.com for data recaps, official statements from central bankers or presidents, and relevant headlines. Forex Live provides more context and interpretation of the data, which is valuable for traders. 4. TradingView. TradingView is primarily a charting package, but it also offers a valuable resource for a quick glance at global markets. Traders can set up a global markets watchlist to see how European and Asian markets performed overnight, along with the performance of stock futures, US yields, gold, and oil. This information helps traders determine whether it is a risk-on or risk-off day and whether the market sentiment is pro or anti-dollar. 5. Daily All Things Money YouTube Short 60-second Video at ATM Videos. Traders can follow the All Things Money YouTube channel to access a daily 60-second video. This 60-second video provides a snapshot of the big stories moving the markets and what to watch for during the day. It is a convenient way to stay updated quickly. 6. Mark to Market. www.marktomarket.com. Mark to Market is a comprehensive and concise note that covers everything traders need to know about what is affecting the Forex and global markets. The note provides insights into the big stories, day-to-day economic data, and market expectations. It is highly recommended to read this note daily to gain a deeper understanding of market drivers. Mark to Market also releases a weekend note that offers a thorough outlook for the week ahead. 7. ING Economics, https://twitter.com/ing_economics. ING Economics is a valuable resource for institutional sales. They provide central bank meeting previews, scenarios for different outcomes, and macro opinions on big stories. Traders can follow their Twitter feed for the most updated articles and charts. In conclusion, staying informed about market trends and news is crucial for traders. By utilizing these top 7 free fundamental trading resources, traders can access reliable information to make informed trading decisions. From trading calendars to real-time news feeds and comprehensive market analysis, these resources provide a comprehensive view of the markets. Remember, reading and learning more about fundamentals is essential for successful trading.